So I bought some stuff from Walmart, and it just felt like some M&Ms, and I wanted to try some new flavors. I have another different flavor as well. Anyway, this is M&Ms chocolate candies, crunchy cookie flavor. Oh, hold on. I should probably clarify, I am sick. Nothing's affecting my taste. I just have like a bit of a stuffy nose, a little bit of sore throat, and like some nasal congestion, a little bit of a cough. Oh my god, it actually landed in the garbage. It's resealable, yay. I like when I can reseal it. Smells like M&Ms. Looks like M&Ms. It is M&Ms. You ever had like a cookie with M&Ms in it? Those are like the best fucking cookies, I swear to God. I don't know how they managed to get their cookie part in when it's that small. That's really good. It doesn't really scream cookie to me. A nice satisfying crunch though. And especially like the audible crunch. Satisfying. I think it would have been better if they made them bigger. Like size wise. And actually made them better. Because as you can see, they're not very big. I think if they made them about the size like the peanut ones they get. Which those are also really good. Well, like maybe around that size, you'd actually be able to notice like the cookie part better. Because more than anything, I know is the chocolate shell. And it's a thick chocolate shell. Which is good when you have like something of that size. It's a little bit more hard. It makes it harder to notice the cookie part. Like I said, they're really good, but it doesn't scream cookie to me. It really is just like the chocolate coating on it. But very satisfying crunch, very good. Definitely worth a try. But yeah, I don't know what I'm expecting cookie-wise. I thought it was a little bit better. That was... I'm not judging it, hold on. Yeah, I feel like I've noticed it even a little bit more when you have like a little bit more in your mouth. That sounded wrong. But even more one, if you eat more than one at once, it's easier to notice. But I don't know what to say other than they're good. They're good. I would love this to be like a year-round flavor. Anyway, like I said, I got this off Walmart. I don't remember how much they were, but size-wise, I'm not using my big-ass head as a... I honestly forgot. Oh my god. I was like, let me use my phone as comparison as I'm holding said phone. Well, yeah, it's not much bigger than my phone. Anyway, like, subscribe, check my videos, and definitely try these. They're really good. Bye.